If you want to go ahead and add in lists, then you can easily do that as well and add in numbered or bulleted list as you like. So to do that, I'm going to press / on my keyboard and I'm going to type in list. And over here you can see that bullet list and numbered list is an option. Let me just go ahead on to bullet list, and once you do that, I can simply go ahead and type in, let's say for example, apple, the banana right here, cake, and let's say for example chocolate, just like this. And as I go ahead, you can see the bullet list right here. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. This is a bulleted list. But what I can also do is select this and turn it into a numbered list right here. Let me just go ahead and select all of these right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go ahead and select this out. So this is a bullet list. Let me just go ahead and turn it into a numbered list, and that is what you have, as you can see. So now if I were to have a numbered list, press enter, and now you can see that as I go ahead, you can see the numbers right there, just like that as well. So this is what you have. You can go for numbered list or bullet list right here. You can also go around over here and press / and then when you type in list, you can see that numbered list is here as well. So now let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say start, run, let's say for example compile, execute, just like this, and you can see that this is the bulleted list right here. So this is simply how this actually works. And then if I were to press tab right here, you can see that I can also make it into a sub list right here, just like this as well. So that is what you have. You can go ahead and press tab right here. Let's say for example I have a list right here. I can go ahead and press tab to actually go ahead and make it a sub list right here. You can press tab multiple times as well. So I can also go ahead and pull this out right here, just like this, back just like this, to actually bring it back onto the main list as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and then for the run, let's say for example I bring it out back right here, just like this. So you can simply go ahead and bring this back just like this to turn it back into number again. But you can press tab again and you can see that you can make it a sub list, and press tab again and it becomes a sub list right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with a numbered and bulleted list inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.